Connect mobile phone to the repair system platform. Before repairing, the MTSN are unmatched, which will cause invalid auto light sensing. 12 to 15 series screen True Tone repair cooperation video. 1. Repair True Tone with original screen. Buckle the original screen on the corresponding socket of V1S Pro True Tone repair adapter. Click Read.
After reading data successfully, click Save.
Save it to local or cloud. After saving data, remove the original screen. Then take out the screen that needs to be written in True Tone and the corresponding True Tone FPC. Buckle the FPC on the screen.
Then fold the FPC of the phone downwards.
Buckle it on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Open. Select the data that was saved to local just now. Click Write. If the original screen IC was copied, there is no need to check the TPIC. Otherwise, you can check the TPIC, then select the screen type and write the True Tone code. After writing True Tone successfully, install it in mobile phone. To no original screen, or the original screen was damaged, so that the data cannot be read. Connect mobile phone to computer. Click Brushing. Select Brushing. Select the firmware of the corresponding model and start flashing and unbinding. Waiting for flashing. When the mobile phone is in recovery mode, press the volume plus and then the volume minus buttons on the phone, then long press the power button until it shuts down. Waiting for the phone to enter the recovery mode, then flash normally. Select the firmware to start flashing. Flash succeed. Connect the mobile phone to V1S Pro. After connecting the phone successfully, click Fix. Please make sure to connect V1S Pro to Wi-Fi before capturing cloud data. Capturing cloud data successfully, shut down the phone and remove the screen. Then take out the True Tone Repair FPC of the corresponding model and buckle it on the screen. Fold it downwards. Then buckle the screen on the adapter and click Write. You can decide whether to check the TPIC or not. Select on third. Write True Tone successfully, install it in mobile phone and connect to computer to check. Please note that during installation, the connection between the screen and the repair FPC should be fastened to the above position. Then fasten the cover plate. As this is a demonstration, we won't install the cover plate for now. After repairing, the MTSN are the same. True Tone has been fixed successfully.